So now that you have your digital portfolio from your science teachers, maybe you want to start collecting some work from your language arts block or maybe your Spanish class. Your teachers want you to have one digital portfolio. You don't need to have one for each class. So I'm going to show you very quickly how to add a page to your digital portfolio. First thing, all you need to do is come up to when you're in your portfolio, and you see these editing buttons. I want to make sure that you scroll up to right here. If you hover over, this is how you create a new page in your Google site. You can title your page. Let's say we want to make this for your Spanish class, and make sure it's a web page. And we're going to put the location of this page under home. So we'll make sure you select this under home, and from there we'll just click create. Wait for a moment. And now when you create a new page, it dumps you right into the page and you're ready to edit. You can change the layout at this point. I always like to do the 2-column layout depending on what you're going to put on here. And if you want to go ahead and start editing, you can. I'm going to do something else though. We need to get it in your navigation. So I'm going to save that page. And then you see how down below it says add files or comments. If you want to add documents that way, you can, or you can make a link. Either way, just watch some of the other videos, but I like to clean that off. So I'm going to click on the gear at the top and click on page settings. And from here, I'm going to uncheck these 3 boxes. You'll see why in a second. I just like to clean off all of that, and so that people can't comment. There's no need for people to be commenting on the portfolio. It's just a collection of my work, and it's saving, and you'll just see it. It'll just collapse anytime now. Okay, so now that it's all cleaned up, it looks like this. We want to get this navigation so that, along the toolbar, the horizontal navigation here, you can get to that page easily. So what we need to do is click on the gear again, and we're going to slide down to Edit Site Layout. And once you select that, you're going to hover in the area of the horizontal navigation until you see this blue bar. Then you click on the blue bar, and you'll see I've got 2 pages already selected to show. I want to add a page. So when I click on this, you'll notice down here that it's not showing. It says home, but there's a plus sign. The plus sign means it's loaded underneath home. So now that it's loading, once they load, it was taking forever to load, you can select Spanish and then click OK. And then it will be up here, it'll make a tab there for you. You can arrange them by using the arrows and put it whatever order you want. I'm going to leave it at the bottom. Now you might have noticed that I had another class there. I had my language block, and I'm going to select that as well and add that in also. I'm going to move that one up. You can put them in whatever order you want. Now, I had before, and you can kind of see behind here, I have them as links, and that's just showing them as words. I'm going to play around with the style in our next video, so I'm going to change these to tabs for that to happen. You can kind of see what it would look like. So if I say OK, it's going to load those up, and now my classes are showing. Make sure you push close at the end, and there you have it. You've got all of your classes lined up right here and ready to go.